You asked, how to divide 10,913 by 10 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 10. 10 divided by 10 equals 1. 1 times 10 equals 10. 10 minus 10 equals 0. Bring down 9, making 9. 9 divided by 10 equals 0. 0 times 10 equals 0. 9 minus 0 equals 9. Bring down 1, making 91. 91 divided by 10 equals 9. 9 times 10 equals 90. 91 minus 90 equals 1. Bring down 3, making 13. 13 divided by 10 equals 1. 1 times 10 equals 10. 13 minus 10 equals 3. The remainder is 3. The final result is 1091 remainder 3.